Hey everybody, and welcome back. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how to create chatbots and personal assistants using LangChain. So currently, as you can see, I'm on to the section of LangChain dashboard. So this is going to be your first step, that sign into the platform so we can start actually using it. So on the left side you can see we have different type of options. We have tracing projects, we have monitoring, and we have data sets. The important thing here is we have this playground, and you're going to be simply jumping onto that, and basically it is going to be helping us to create different kind of chatbots. So here as you can see we have this sample chatbot. You can see you are a chatbot, and below that we can see a script. So here we can add a question, and we can incorporate a message and output schemas. Now output schemas offers different type of details, such as basically the model will return a JSON object that matches the defined schema. A specified property in the schema will be a key in the output. So that is going to be how you can create chatbot and different kind of personal assistants using the playground section. You can also compare it with different chatbots to check the integrity and basically its compatibility and performance. So I'm going to be removing that for now. You can add your questions and different kind of stuff. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.